Day 4, June 13, 2019. In the morning of our last day at the hotel and before checking out, we just killed some time by... Before we could dance another number, I decided to make a quick room tour. Upon entering, one can see the sala. On the right side is a mini kitchen with an exhaust, kitchen cabinets, a sink, and a microwave. On the left side is a simple mirror. A wide full-length mirror is available in front of the minibar table in the sala. This room comes with a cable television, a Wi-Fi connection, and a sofa set. Inside is a bedroom which has its own cable television, closet, and bathroom. Before noontime, we checked out of the hotel and went to Lucky Plaza Mall to have our lunch and to buy souvenirs. We arrived at the airport past 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Unfortunately, we weren't able to visit Jewel because we had to be at the boarding gate by 6:05 p.m. Nevertheless, other parts of the airport were still attractive. After having light dinner at the airport, we patiently waited at the boarding gate and before 7 o'clock in the evening, we were on board. Overall, the experience we had in Singapore was fun and memorable. We've seen a lot of beautiful places and the country was very tourist-friendly. I realized that the world is indeed big and we are bound to explore it. But traveling is not just a way to explore the world, but also knowing more of your loved ones, the people around you, and most importantly, yourself.